This is the first generation of M12 drill. This is the second generation of the M12 drill. This is the third generation, which I have two of. And this one right here is the fourth generation of the M12 drill. Three of these are fuel. The first one that I ever got was not a fuel because the fuel wasn't out at that time. So this is a brush drill, and this is the one that I use the most, and it smells. So I just want to go quick through them so I can go over the differences and what I like and dislike about them. This one, I don't like that this is a 3/8 chuck. You can't put a 1/2 inch drill bit in this one, so you have to get like a cheaper or smaller bit to fit in there. But other than that, it is what it is a brush. You do smell the brushes, and there's nothing much you can say about this one. This one is the first generation of fuel tools. I think they were trying to go for the design that you could compare it to the 18 volt at that time. It's kind of like a mini version of it, so it's pretty long. It's probably as long as the old generation, and no, it's actually a little bit longer. This one's good, but it was just always just super long and in the way. But you did get the 1/2 inch chuck here. And from there, all the chucks are 1/2 inch. This is the third generation. And this one I don't like because it's very heavy in the back. I have two of these. This is a regular drill, and this one is a hammer drill. I like to have hammer drills, but this one goes into my mechanic box. That's why it's just a regular drill. But this one, what I dislike the most is the weight in the back and the electronic clutch. I hate the electronic clutch. I wish it was a manual clutch, the one that clicks. But this one, actually, when you use it, it just stops when it gets to the chuck. I like that it became smaller and more compact. Then as for the last generation, which in my opinion, obviously, is the best generation because it's very tiny, even compared to the third generation. It's tiny, and it fits great in my hand, at least, because I wear small Milwaukee gloves, so you can only imagine that these drills were made for me because of my tiny hands. But this one just fits perfect in my hand. It's nice, compact, small, and you can feel the power. But even though this is the last one and the best generation, I always find myself reaching for this one, because this is the one I use the most and this is the one that I'm most comfortable with. But that chuck gotta go, and that's what I don't like. So that's my review of all the generations of the M12 drills.